Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Burkina Faso. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this e-visa official website of Burkina Faso. The very first thing I would recommend is to go for FAQ, because a lot of questions that you have about this process and all is gonna be answered here. Okay, and even there are other links that help you. Okay, and you can of course use translation sometimes. All right, so you can read all this information. Okay, now they are giving it a short term, long term. We'll go for the short term. Okay, so it's very simple application form you need to fill, pay the fee, get the decision. Okay, e-visa allows you to stay for 90 days. Okay, so once you are ready in this uh, format it would be okay. So fill, so I clicked on fill. Oh, did I? So here once you log in, this is the screen you're gonna see. Click on new application. Now I'm going to put some sample, you do it as per your own case. Nationality, I'm just doing it. Visa purpose, I select holiday. Sorry guys. Visa type, conference study multiple. I'll just say short stay, single entry. Okay, let's go to next page. Now I'm putting sample details, you do it as per your own case. Gender, country of birth, city of birth. Make sure this information matches with your passport. So anything that you fill, you have to check 2 times. Relationship status, I select single. Occupation, teacher, accountant, banking. Number of children, as per your case guys. Country of residence, state, street, postal code, of course you know that. Emergency contact, let's say Petersburg. Phone number. Yeah, so you can change it by clicking on that icon, whichever country you have. Okay, yeah, here. Okay. I'm putting sample. You do as per your own case. And anything you enter, make sure to check it 2 times, not just a mobile phone number, your phone number. So I'm just putting this. Of course you can change the country code here. This is sample, that's why I'm just leaving here. Okay, passport details, place of issue, passport type, most of us will have regular, expiry date, you can select from here, issue date, again check your passport, port of entry, intended date of entry, give a range of 7 days before intended. Okay, fine. I'll just go for maximum length of stays. Let's say we're gonna stay there for 10 days. Full name of telephone number of the correspondent, means whoever is the contact detail. Okay, let's say you are uh, going to a hotel, so they will provide this name, or through a travel agency they will give this detail. Mode of transportation, myself airplane, destinations. Okay, so we reached photo, first page of passport, vaccination certificate, proof of accommodation like hotel booking, health insurance, and once you do that you go to continue and then you pay the fee and then it goes for processing, and once granted it's all good. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.